Hey guys, hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is one of my favorite sweatshirts. I bought this when my son was like pretty much born and I was going through it. It says this is my I'm too tired to function sweatshirt. I love it on Amazon. If I find a link, I'll leave it for you guys. But yeah, I saw this lady who posted that she was quitting YouTube because of several things. And she pretty much talked about all the mistakes that she made. And then it got me thinking, I made a few of my mistakes myself. So we had similarities. So I wanted to cover some of them so that you don't do the same thing. All right. So the first thing that's definitely going to get you demonetized is no topic, no niche. You don't have your main area. So your channel is all over the place and people, when they scroll, they have no idea what your channel is about. So you jump from one thing to another. Maybe you're seeing trends and you jump on it. And then over here, you're doing this. It is really, really, really important to stick to your niche. My channel struggled from this for years ago. I was all over the place. I was posting whatever I was excited about. So I had to go back and delete all the videos that did not serve what my topic is, clean it up, and literally just focus on all those things. I have to remind myself constantly, no matter how excited I am to talk about something random, I have to remember we are doing plus size fashion, hair reviews, and product reviews. That's about it. I don't try to go over into some other topics as much. And if I do, it's a little bit. Like I show people YouTube stuff and all that, but I don't go away from that. So pick a niche and stick to it. All right, the next one is sub for sub. There was a time when everybody was doing this, follow me, I follow you, and people were getting subscribers. The only thing that's wrong with this is sometimes people will just browse to your channel, subscribe, and leave. They never come back. Sub for sub does not build genuine followers. These are not the people that are going to be loyal to you. They came there, they got their following, they give you a little subscription. A lot of times they would go behind you and actually unsubscribe. So it was just a game that didn't really work because in the long run, you need people that are actually interested in your content, are going to watch and be with you in the long run. Okay, so sub for sub, cut it out. All right, the next thing is posting shorts only. I did this for almost a whole year, just posting this, and I got a lot of subscribers. But what I did was to also go back to my own channel and try to post as many long form content that have to do with the same things on the shorts, because people will come to your channel from shorts and subscribe, but it doesn't mean they'll stay. So you have to figure out a way that all this stuff have to have the same thing in common. So if you do fashion topics on shorts, continue doing that over here on your channel as well. So there's, similarities. You don't want to be doing like cooking on your shorts and then fashion on the long form. It doesn't match and people get all over the place and they just leave and they never come back. So stick with that or you you stick with it. Okay. All right. There's another time when a lot of people are buying watch hours. Buying watch hour is really the worst thing you could do. Yes, you might get your subscribers and watch time and get monetized, but at some point you're going to lose all of that because you have to maintain it. So if people are not genuinely following your channel and you bought the watch time, it's going to affect you in the long run. Your channel is not going to last because really you need to post and build that community. You need to build a community based on your topic. If you do home decor, people are coming to you for home decor all the time. Stick with it and stay with that, okay? You don't want to just buy watch time to get monetized. That's not what it's about because this is something you're passionate about and you want to talk about and you want to share with people. So just don't even bother doing that. It's a waste of time. You're gonna in the long run you're gonna lose. All right. The other one was a lot of people started watching their own videos trying to get watch time, but they were watching it from the same address because it shows. So you can't go on your own phone, logged in, and watch your own videos to get watch time. It will show up and the watch time may move, but later on it will all go down. So try to maybe tell your family members, which I don't even recommend, but strangers, and tell them to watch your channel, and really, and then if they like something, they'll stay and really support you. But just don't even bother trying to watch your own content because the address will show up. They can find that and, you think will go down. All right. The last one affected me so much. I took a break when I became a mom from YouTube. And when I came back, I tried to do content that was all over the place. That break really affected me. I lost so many subscribers. My watch time dropped dramatically. And it was depressing. It was sad. Okay. So if you're going to take a break, figure out a way to, I don't know, just figure it out how you're going to put content and be relevant still. Because if you're not posting, you're not being picked up by the algorithm, and that's a problem. So you really, really want to make sure that you don't take long breaks. I mean, I took almost 2 years, and when I got back, it was near impossible to come back to what I used to be. And when I saw that watch time drop, I was just like, oh my gosh, like I want to give up, like I want to quit. Okay. So find a way not to take a break. Okay. The last one is just in general giving up. You see that your views are going down, your subscribers are gone, and you're posting content and you're not getting the amount of people watching and stuff like that. And you get depressed about it. You're like, "F YouTube, I'm done." Don't do that. Be consistent regardless. And even if you're getting 10 views, keep posting, because at some point you're gonna get better. And the more you post, you learn. You learn the system, you learn how to do things, you learn how to edit, put thumbnails and all that, and eventually will catch up, especially if this is something you're really passionate about. This is a topic that you want to talk about all the time, and you come on here and you're really not even motivated by just making money. You are really genuinely here because this is something you're passionate about. And so in the long run, it will come back. People will see that and they'll watch you. So don't give up. Giving up in general, like I almost did, is not the best thing, because if you're not posting, there's just no way. How is the algorithm going to find you so that more people can see your videos? So don't give up. All right. I hope these tips are helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next